If you're seeing Chinese characters in your Windows 11 taskbar calendar instead of English, you're not alone. This issue has been affecting many users recently. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to fix this problem in under 2 minutes. As you can see on my screen, when I click on the date and time in the bottom right corner of the taskbar, the calendar is displaying Chinese characters. This happened suddenly, and it's preventing me from reading the calendar properly. But don't worry, the solution is surprisingly simple. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. You can also press Windows key plus I to open Settings directly. In the Settings window, click on Time and Language from the left sidebar. Now, select Date and Time from the available options. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Show Additional Calendars in the taskbar. Go ahead and click on this drop-down menu. You'll see different calendar options listed here, and one of them is likely set to a Chinese calendar format. So, from the drop-down list, select Don't Show Additional Calendars. This will remove any secondary calendar formats and keep only your default English calendar. The setting will apply automatically. You don't need to click any additional buttons to save this change. Now, let's check if it worked. Click on the date and time in your taskbar again. Perfect! The Chinese characters are gone, and your calendar is now displaying in English as it should. The problem is now completely resolved.